So you decided that you want to know how you can make money with Gramarly affiliate program. In this video, I'm going to review the Gramarly affiliate program, and I'm also going to share with you the strategies that you can use to make actually money with Gramarly. But before we're gonna jump into the video, you will find a free masterclass that I created down below in the description that I'm teaching you the free ways how I make money, thousands of dollars monthly on the internet from affiliates. So let's jump to Gramarly affiliate and let's see how it actually works. Gramarly affiliate is perfect in one thing. What I really like about it is that you're going to get actually money from the signups. So let me show you. So when you come here to sign up under 60 seconds and you will click here to affiliate FAQ page, and here is like commissions and remittance options, you're gonna find that our unique commission structure gives you the chance to earn twice 0.20 per free, no payment info required account sign up, and $20 per premium upgrade. So let's say that if your site or TikTok channel, YouTube channel is going to have a lot of traffic, and let's say that you would actually sign up 10,000 people who wants to try out Gramarly, you would earn $2,000 just for the sign up. They didn't pay anything, and you don't have to actually add a card. Because what they will do, they will target the person on email, they will bombard him like, okay, but look out for Gramarly, and they'll use whatever technique to actually convert the person for a paying person. And that's how it works, right? So they got also paid to PayPal, so that's also really interesting thing. And to actually go and sign up, you just have to come here and become an affiliate. Now here you will just fill everything, and that's pretty much it how the Gramarly works. Now if you have any questions regards Gramarly affiliate, or you want to learn like do you have any other questions about Gramarly, just ask it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to help you. Now to actually even like how you can promote Gramarly. So let's say that what we can do, we can start creating YouTube videos. We will start with YouTube, Pinterest, email, and TikTok. On YouTube we can go Gramarly versus, okay, we have the comparison videos. Like, do you see social? Nope. You can have these guys are creating versus videos. Then okay, Gramarly versus Premium, Quillbot. That's another competition video that you can make. WordTune. So we have plenty of ideas that you can, like, no one did it. Look at this. WordTune versus Gramarly, you have a completely free keyword on YouTube that you can create video on it. And then just like have an affiliate link or landing page down below in the description, and people would sign up for it. So Ginger. So you got plenty of tools that you can also sign for, again, for their affiliate programs. And you can easily see AI writing assistant software. And you can look their affiliates, what they have. So right now you see Pro Writing 8. And here you can easily promote this. So you can create Gramarly tutorials also. Or what you can do is to just have pins on Pinterest or write articles about Gramarly and how to use it, the questions. You can use something like SEMrush for that. So here you would add domain URL keyword, so you add Gramarly, Gramarly.com, and here I can go to keyword magic tool, and you will find this in tools, best tools in a description, and you can have, like, you see what people are actually searching for. And you can use this tool too with a link in the description, right? So yeah, that's also an interesting one. But you see a lot of competition on Google here. Like Gramarly check, like this is a 100%. You can have like Gramarly free here. and you can have like, okay, what questions they're actually looking for, and you can start creating creative about that. How to add Grammarly to Word. Okay, we can look at this, and you can start creating content. How to Word. See, and you can create video like this, a lot of views, and you can easily like defeat all those competitors here. So that's pretty much it. Or what you can do is like another strategy is, that's the strategy that I'm actually also talking in a video in a free masterclass, is to create an educational guide on like the features that Grammarly has and how they solve problems. And you want to focus on creating content about solving those problems. So when we come here to the Grammarly, and we see that, okay, what they're actually solving, and you want to create content about that, right? And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.